Hi, this is Jamie for Gearbest. So it's a Sunday night and I'm actually outside just wandering around shopping and stuff, and I happened to stump in with a actual OnePlus 7 Pro. Just to clarify, I already asked the staff that they said it's okay if I take videos here. So let's take a quick look about this very thriving brand new arrival, supposedly to be the Android phone of the year, the OnePlus 7 Pro. I actually haven't checked yet. I did read some specs already, but let's take a quick look at its system, its storage and everything. One new thing that OnePlus 7 Pro is actually providing that I actually read online on reviews is the OTG option. The first feel of it, it's actually a curved screen once again. The 2K option is turned on. Check out the resolution. Oh my god, it's a true full screen right here. But it's really heavy, the phone. It's full metal at the back. I don't know what color is this one, but it looks really fancy. 3 cameras at the back. Still haven't get around to check the spec yet. Type-C fast charging, no doubt here. Let's take a look at the camera. Okay, pop-up camera. Okay, there you go. This is so awkward. I'm actually taking videos right here in the store, but yeah, I happen to stomp on it. I just have to really take a quick look right here. Snapdragon 855, up-to-date one. This one comes in 8 gigs of RAM plus 56 gigs of storage. Very nice. Full AMOLED 6.67-inch display. Nice camera. Wow. 48 plus 16 plus 8. Oh, nice. Android 9, no doubt here. My hands are very shaky. I apologize if this gets a little bit blurry because of the light in the store and everything. Just to take a quick look at this. Okay, a lot of apps installed already because it's on display. Let's just take a quick look before I wrap this up. Very nice glass screen. But the phone is really heavy actually, and also I read it online that it says this one doesn't really provide a waterproof option. But I think I can live with that. Okay, once again, before I wrap this up, let's pop up the camera again. And let's take a look at its rear camera, what it's capable of. I cannot really show much. Let's zoom a little. So yeah, that's it. Just a little quick, hand-on in-store awkward video. Okay, thank you for watching.